Let's take a look at the audio settings on the DEH-X5500HD. We'll start by touching the volume control and going into our audio menu. Here, loudness is switched off. If we touch volume, we can switch loudness on to low, touch it again to the mid setting, touch it one more time to switch to its high setting, and touch it one more time to switch loudness off. We'll turn over to our subwoofer control. Right now our subwoofer is on and set to its normal phase. If we touch in, we can switch the subwoofer to its reverse phase or touch it one more time to switch the subwoofer output off. We'll switch the subwoofer on and to its normal phase. Then turn the dial over to our subwoofer control settings. Here we'll enter into the control settings and we can choose a crossover frequency for our subwoofer. And once we've chosen a crossover frequency, we'll press enter and we can choose to boost or cut that subwoofer crossover. And once we've chosen that, we can move over to change the slope on the crossover as well. Once we're done there, we can go back out to the next menu, which is our bass boost. And bass boost, we can add a little more bottom into the system if we want, or take it back down to 0. We'll exit out of that and move over to our high pass filter settings. We'll enter in. Right now, high pass filter is turned off. If we turn the dial, we're setting a crossover point for the high pass filter. Once we've chosen a crossover point for the high pass filter, press enter and we can adjust the slope for the high pass filter. We'll go back out of that menu and turn over to the next one, which is our fader control. Here we'll enter in and we can fade to the front or fade to the rear using the volume control. Once we've set that, we can move back and turn over to our balance control and enter. Here we're at the center. We can balance to the right or to the left. And once we've made those adjustments, we can go back out and we can turn over to our EQ settings. For more detailed information on the EQ settings, please see the EQ video.